In Noodle Tools Part 3, we will do our second citation, which is for a database based on the assignment's instructions. So here I have my book citation in Noodle Tools. I'm going to go back to that green New Source button and click it. All right, we see database as a choice, but before I go any further, I'm going to look at my planets assignment and my directions. All right, so we did the book citation in part 2. We're in part 3, and it says create a new source for a database citation. Search planet in Britannica School middle level. Choose the first article. The username is LCJSMS and the password is student. Now remember, everything is on your LibGuide, so go to the LibGuide tab. I'm going to scroll down to my database citation box right here, and you see that there's a link to Britannica School. When I click on it, it has my username and password already in there, but it's LCJSMS, password student, and I'm going to continue. Now I want to search middle level, the instruction said, so I click on middle level, and it said to search planet. The first one that comes up is planet, in parentheses, astronomy. I'm going to choose this. So click on that. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, databases will always supply you with an MLA citation that you can copy and paste. And you will find the citation at either the bottom of the article or you'll find a cite button near the top. All right, I'm going to scroll down a little here to my article. Okay, Britannica makes it a little trickier. All right, I know it's not at the bottom of the article, but I know it's somewhere here at the top. And if you see this menu of icons, when I put my mouse on them, it tells me what they are. And if you look at the check mark in the box, when I put my mouse on that, the word cite, C-I-T-E, pops up. That is what we want to use. So I'm going to click on this icon. Now remember, we use MLA citation. So the MLA citation is here. We don't want to copy everything here. We just want the citation. And that citation begins with the quotation marks for planet and ends with the period after the year 2021. So you want to copy all 4 of those lines. Now, sometimes the database will have an export to Noodle Tools button, and if it does, you should use it. Otherwise, you will copy as I have done here. At this point, I'm going to go back to my Noodle Tools tab. Now remember, we are doing a database, so I'm clicking database. Now, what is it? It really doesn't matter what is it because you are going to, as mentioned before, copy and paste the citation in. So we always say choose original content in a database. So I'm going to click on that. All right. Now, you are not going to fill in these blanks. All right. You're going to look for this quick cite where it says there's a hyperlink that says copy and paste a citation right here, upper right-hand corner. So I'm going to click on that copy and paste a citation. And if you scroll down a little, you'll see this large box here. And you're going to paste your citation that you copied into this field. All right, it looks correct. It has my quotation marks, around planet, and it ends with the year and the period. Now all I need to do is save it. Noodle Tools now shows me that I have 2 citations, the book one I did in part 2 and the database one we just did in part 3. In part 4, you will learn how to cite a